Good morning, world. And this is Just for Joe News. Here are some of the hottest news of today. December 1st, 2023. CDC issues warning as locally acquired malaria cases emerge in Florida and Texas, breaking 20-year streak. In a concerning development, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has issued a warning after the confirmation of locally acquired malaria cases in Florida and Texas. This marks the first time in 2 decades that such infections have occurred within the United States. The discovery has raised alarm bells among health officials, who are now working tirelessly to prevent the further spread of the mosquito-borne disease. Malaria, a potentially life-threatening illness caused by the Plasmodium parasite, is typically associated with tropical and subtropical regions. However, the recent cases in Florida and Texas have highlighted the possibility of local transmission, emphasizing the need for increased vigilance and awareness, even in areas not traditionally considered high risk. CDC recommends antibiotic pill after sex to prevent sexually transmitted infections in a groundbreaking move. In a historic move aimed at tackling the rising rates of sexually transmitted infections, STIs, across the United States, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, is set to recommend a post-sex antibiotic pill for some individuals. This groundbreaking decision marks a significant shift in public health strategy and underscores the urgency of addressing the growing STI crisis in the country. The CDC's new recommendation comes as rates of STIs, including chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis, have reached alarming levels, with a record-breaking 2.9 million cases reported in 2022 alone. Health experts have expressed concerns about the increasing resistance of these infections to common antibiotics, making them more challenging to treat. Bernie Sanders says President Biden will win in 2024 if he runs on a strong progressive agenda. Senator Bernie Sanders, a prominent figure in progressive politics, has offered his insights on the potential outcome of the 2024 presidential election, stating that President Joe Biden could secure victory if he embraces and campaigns on its strong progressive agenda. Sanders' remarks come as political strategists and pundits analyze the road ahead for the Biden administration as it approaches the midterm election season. In a recent interview with a major news network, Senator Sanders expressed his belief that President Biden, who has shown a commitment to bipartisanship and moderate policies during his first term, could energize and mobilize a broader base of voters by adopting a more progressive platform in his re-election bid. Biden administration to ban medical debt from Americans' credit scores. In a significant move aimed at alleviating financial burdens on Americans grappling with medical expenses, the Biden administration announced today that it will ban the inclusion of medical debt on individuals' credit reports. The decision is expected to provide relief to countless Americans who have been plagued by the adverse impact of medical bills on their creditworthiness. Under the current system, medical debt can severely affect an individual's credit score, making it more difficult to secure loans, obtain favorable interest rates, or even find housing and employment. However, the Biden administration believes that medical debt should not be a determinant of a person's creditworthiness, especially considering the often unpredictable and unavoidable nature of healthcare costs. And those were some of the hottest news of today, December 1st, 2023. To get the latest news, like and follow our page at Just for Joe News, or you can visit our website at www.justforjoeynews.com. Again, good morning, world. This is Just for Joe News. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.